Bolt has pulled up. Bolt's in trouble. The American Coleman is beaten by Britain.
No one could have predicted Usain Bolt's career coming to an end like that. And that is why he's kicking off our Monday Moments. If fans thought Bolt's third place finish in the 100-meter final was surprising, well then the final of the 4x100 relay was a shocker. Bolt pulled up with a cramp in his left hamstring and his career ended with 3 letters no sprinter wants to see. DNF. Did not finish.
I don't think one championship is going to change what I've done, really. You know what I mean? I remember after losing the 100 meters, someone said to me that, you say, don't worry, Muhammad Ali lost his last fight also, so don't be stressed about that. And for me, I've proven myself year in, year out.
It was not a world championship to remember for Canadians. Andre DeGrasse and Derek Duran didn't even get a chance to compete because of injuries. Medal hopefuls Melissa Bishop and Sean Barber didn't put up the results they were expecting, but the toughest opponent in London may have been the norovirus. It hit several Canadians, including decathlete Damian Warner, who had to settle for a 5th place finish. Canada had 12 top 8 finishes, but no medals for the first time in 16 years. It was a Cinderella run for 18-year-old Canadian Denis Shapovalov. He beat 2 Grand Slam champions, including Rafael Nadal, on his way to a Rogers Cup semi-final. The run came to an end with a loss to the eventual champion Alexander Zverev. Shapovalov jumps from 143rd in the world to 67th. Kia Nurse put the Canadian women's basketball team ahead for good with just 1:27 to play as they went on to beat Argentina to capture the FIBA Women's AmeriCup. This is the 2nd straight title for Canada at this tournament. They say to win a golf tournament, you need patience. That was the case for Justin Thomas at the PGA Championship. This putt took over 12 seconds to finally fall in the cup. Thomas went on to shoot a 68 to win his first major championship. Canadian Graham Dillette finished tied for 7th for his first top 10 finish at a major. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you've got a question, a comment, or if I forgot anything, just put it in the comments below. And while you're down there, remember to click on that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.